This is a tutorial and overview on how to use the blue watercolor brushstroke clip art pack. So we will begin by going through how to open your files. Once you download, you will receive a zip file. You must unzip it with either WinRAR, 7-zip. You can find many extractors, zip extractors for free online by doing a Google search. If you have a Mac, you can also find a way to do your download. I believe there is a built-in tool into Mac, so the process is a little bit different. You'll need to either speak with a Mac genius or research that. But once you have it downloaded on your PC, you're going to just click on it and press extract to blue watercolor brushstroke clip art, and it will extract the folder for you. Once you have the folder, it should be wherever you designate on your computer where your downloads are. You can change this setting in your browser. Once again, if you don't know how to do that, please Google how to change the location of your downloads on your browser. So this is the folder. So I'm going to go ahead and go through here all of the things that you're going to be receiving. But first, let's go ahead and look at the cover photos. So as you can see here, you're going to get quite a bit of items. And this is 40 watercolor abstract shapes, and I've even put the hex code in here. These shapes come with or without the sparkle. So you can get the plain watercolor as well as the sparkle, and it includes these bonus sparkle brush strokes. You can create invitations with us. It's perfect. I created this whole invitation using nothing but the resources in this folder. The only thing that's additional to this is that I did use some watercolor flowers, and if you haven't checked out my Baby's Breath Photoshop brushes, I used them in this as well. And I'll leave a link in the description below. I also created this invitation of save the date as a mock-up so you can see how well and how the quality is on here. These are the bonus blue glitter brush stroke and clip arts. Now these are in pink format, but I've also included the ASL styles, so if you want to add this sparkle to more things in Photoshop, you can do that. Now these are all of the different watercolor clip art shapes with the glitter sparkles, and like I said, they also come without the sparkles and they have the same dimensions, and I've included the dimensions here. So if you have a particular project and you're not knowing what size you need, these are the sizes that come, you know, with this package. So you have a variation of teal and light blue colors in watercolor that you can place over your projects as a pink, and they go over any colors. I really suggest that when you do this, if you want to get this paper-like effect, you either can put in Photoshop a blend mode of either multiply or linear burn. And this is the larger version of the cover photo. It shows all of the clip art, watercolor clip arts, plus the gold styles, some tags, and just basically everything included here. And I just put this together so you guys can see it in a full format view. And this is the other cover photo, of course, with the sparkles, which we've already gone through. So I'm going to go in and see here, you have the gold and blue sparkles PS styles. So I already have them open up in Photoshop, so I'm going to go ahead and show you. The styles can be added to anything like they are here. So I have added the style to this particular, let me go ahead and show you. Okay, so I basically created a new document and I just typed your logo here and I put a brush stroke here, and then you can also create a new layer and use the brushes that come with this. There is this brush, there's like 5 different dynamic sparkle brushes. And if you don't have Photoshop, that's okay. I've also included the regular textures and the sparkle overlays. So what you would do is you would just make a little sparkle line there. And these are one-click styles. So if you wanted to add a blue sparkle to that, you just click on the sparkle. If you wanted to add gold, you can add it here. If you can also adjust the settings by going to pattern overlay, you can make it more crisp. You can move the gold around however you like. And I'm going to change it to the blue sparkle because I think that looks really pretty, because I'm going to put the gold on the text. And you just click like so, and you can make really cool stuff. Excuse me, I'm losing my voice. With this package. So I hope you like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave comments in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to help you. And thank you so much for watching.